Welcome back guys to another video. Today we will be discussing 6 things that we need to start trading. Okay, so we can make money online and become a successful trader. Okay, please stick around until the end of this video. I have 3 tips I want to give you guys to improve your trading. Alright, so let's begin. Now, the first thing that we will need is a broker. Just so you know, this is not in any chronological order, so it's not a case where you need to know one before the other, okay? But I'll try to arrange them at the end of this video so that you guys can know what you need before you get started. Alright? Now, so we will need a broker. Alright? Broker is simply a organization or a person that actually execute the trade for you. Okay, so keep in mind that you can't take a plane from the US to Australia each and every time that you want to buy some euros or sell some euros, okay? Or some Australian dollars. That's not possible. So a broker is like the middleman that actually executes the transaction for you, alright? And they make money from commissions. If you guys want me to do a video on the different types of brokers, because you have 2 types. You have a book A and B broker, okay, like a lead index broker and an ECN broker, alright. And the best one is actually a ECN, a true broker, leading book. You don't want to be with those market makers, okay. Second thing that we need to know is a trading system. So we need to know how to use MetaTrader, TradingView, or CTrader, okay? Just need to know how to use one of them, not all of them, okay? Now this is the system that we'll use to place our trades or buy or sell orders, okay? It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use. Majority of them is the same concept, right? Now the next thing is a trading strategy. This is a system that we will follow to execute our trades, okay? There are thousands of systems out there. The best one that we use at rigourfx is actually price action, okay? But some examples are of trading systems like MACD crossovers, convergence, divergence, support resistance, Williams, alligator. There's a lot of them, okay? So you guys will need to test them and see how to use them best in the market. The next thing that we'll need is risk management. Keep in mind though that when it comes to trading or any form of investing, the best thing to do is to manage your risk. Okay? It's always important to protect your capital. Alright? If you guys want me to do a video on risk management, please also comment below, okay? The next thing is discipline. By far one of the most important and one of the hardest things to master when it comes to trading, okay? So you have to have rules in place from your trading strategy that you will follow, okay? And if you don't follow these rules, I guarantee you that you will lose all of your money in your account, alright? Now, we also need risk capital, okay? That's the money that you will use to invest in the Forex market, okay? Please don't trade with borrowed money or money that you can't afford to lose when it comes to this game, alright? The next thing we will need to know is education. There are some free educations and free sites there that you can use, right? And just to name a few, okay, we have Baby Pips, we have investing.com. Should be the next slide. Let's see. Yeah, Baby Pips, investing.com, DailyFX. Those are for education, alright? And for calendars, you can use Forex Factory or investing.com. There's tons of free online content there for you guys. So if you don't want to pay for a course, you can definitely go through them, alright? Now, for brokers, there are thousands of brokers, if not millions, right? So you have Owanda, which is the best broker for US, right? Saxo Bank, Traders Way, XM. Those are some of the well-known brokers. All right. Now, as I said before, some brokers are market makers. All right. Market makers are not for you. Okay. Now, this is an example of a trading system that we use. It's called MetaTrader. Okay. It's available for your phone and also your PC or Mac. Okay. Now, for if you guys want me to do a video on how to use this platform, please comment below. All right. Okay. So for the pro tip, right? We always want to use good risk management. All right. Always want to use good risk management. We only want to risk maximum 3% of our account. All right. And when you're going to risk that 3% should be calculated, right? And your lot size should be based on your stop loss. Again, if you guys want me to do a video on proper risk management, please comment below. All right. So that's it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching.